All right, so in this video we are required to evaluate 2 raised to power 18 minus 1. This is another Olympiad mathematics. So let's get straight to the point. So 2 raised to power 18, in this case we can decompose the power. So it will give us 2 raised to the power of what? 9 times 2, right? Minus what? 1, because 9 times 2 would give us what? 18. So we can rewrite this particular equation. We can rewrite it as what? 2 raised to the power of 9, then everything raised to power what? 2, then minus 1. So let me make something clear. We can still rewrite this expression as 2 raised to the power of 9, then everything raised to power 2, right? Minus 1 raised to power 2. 1 square will give us what? 1. So obviously this has reduced to what we call the difference of 2 squares. How do I mean? From difference of 2 squares, we have that if you have what? A square minus what? B square. It is the same thing as A plus B into bracket A minus what? B. So in this case, our A represents 2 raised to power 9, while our B is 1. So if you write it in terms of difference of 2 square, then we can say that what? 2 raised to the power of 9, everything raised to power 2 minus 1 square will be equal to what? 2 raised to the power of 9, right? Plus 1 into bracket 2 raised to power 9, right? Minus what? 1. So basically 2 raised to power 9, we can actually do that, 2 raised to power 9 is equal to what? 512. Yes, if you multiply 2 times 2 times 2, in 9 places, to definitely give you what's it called? 5 square. Okay, so 2 raised to power 9 is 512 plus 1, then into bracket 2 raised to power 9, that is what? 512 minus what? 1. So 512 plus 1, that will give us what? 5 what? 13 into bracket what? 512 minus 1, that is 5 what? 11. So all we just need, you can do this on calculator, but let me just simplify it further. This is the same thing as saying 513 multiplied by 5 what? 11. So let's do the multiplication. All right, so 1 times 3. 1 times 3 will give us 3. 1 times 1 will give us 1. 1 times 5 will give us 5. 1 times 3 give us 3. 1 times 1 will give us 1. 1 times 5 will give us what? 5. Now the next one is 5 times 3. That is 15. You write 5, you keep 1. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, that is what? 6. Then 5 times 5, that will give us what? 20 what? 5. So what we'll do now is to what? Is to add. So you bring this down. That's everything here is 0. So this will be 3. 3 plus 1. This will be 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5. That is 11. You write 1. You keep 1. Right? 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1, 12. You write 2. You keep 1. That 1 plus this 5, that is what? 6. Then you have 2. So your final answer in this case is 262,143. So what we are trying to say in essence is that 513 times 511 is got to what? 262,143. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to as many that you can share it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.